What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. In this short video, I will be looking at the 3 rules to dominate affiliate marketing in 2021. If you use these 3 crucial rules correctly, you can blow up your business in no time. If you want to learn how to kill affiliate marketing in 2021, then this is the video for you. I'm Dr. Loendi, an affiliate marketer from legitblueprint.com, where I provide content videos, tutorials, and reviews to help you grow your online business. If you want to create your own online affiliate marketing business, I left a link below for free training on how to succeed with this. If you need more information like this and you find this helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you will be notified when my next video is released. Affiliate marketing. In this short video, I will give you the 3 rules that will allow you to change your life completely. This process, the 3 steps or 3 rules to follow, I'm going to tell you about the system that all successful affiliate marketers are using. If you can become the connector between the audience you're building and the products and services they need to succeed, you can supplement your income and potentially even make a full-time income from your recommendations. You just need to ask yourself, how can I be serving my audience? So if we look at the definition of affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting another company's product or service. If you find a product, promote it to others and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. In other words, when you help another company generate sales, you get a cut. This is easy. Just send traffic to your product link. That's it. Wrong. There is so much more involved to make this work well, which is why most people who attempt affiliate marketing fail or just see a few dollars coming in from their efforts. I want you to see amazing life-changing results from affiliate marketing. This is why I'm making this video with the 3 most important rules that you have to follow to become successful. Rule number 1. High quality traffic. You need to focus on high quality traffic. This is very important that you focus on your audience you're selling to. You will need to find people who are interested in what you offer. Your target audience need to be high quality traffic, and this will allow you to have more conversion rates. It does not work just to send offers randomly out. You need to have a niche and an audience in that niche that you supply with what they need. It doesn't matter which platform, which social media you're using to attract your audience or to provide the links or the products to them, as long as you focus on value to your audience and quality traffic. This is what you need to become successful. So let's get high quality traffic, web traffic, high quality traffic. Don't go for solo ads. This is the lowest traffic that you can get. And solo ads just cost you money. It doesn't bring you anything back in return. Rule number 2. You need to have converting sales funnel. You need to have the proper landing pages, email follow-up sequence that will convert your leads into actual paying customers. You need to have a high converting sales funnel in place before you start marketing your product. If you do not have this created and focused on what you sell and your audience, what your audience need, you will fail with affiliate marketing. So looking at conversion rate optimization, there's a lot on the internet that can support you and where you can learn how to increase your conversion rate, because this is what you need. The benefits of high conversion rates is more money in your pocket. Rule number 3, the last important rule, the value ladder. In any business, you have to have a business plan and you have to have a plan on what you want to end up with in the end. You need to remember to let your customers trust you from the start when you start selling your products to them. You need to have a low ticket front end with a high ticket upsell at the back end. The upsell at the end will make up for all the marketing effort you put in the beginning of this process. This will allow you to build trust with your customers, and they will most likely buy your upsells immediately or even later. So looking at the sales funnel, you start off with your leads and then you have a sales page. After the checkout page, when they bought something, you will send them to the upsell. They might say yes or no. And most probably, if it's something they really need, they will click the green yes button and they will buy your upsell. And this is where your real income will come from. If they say no, which you will find, you can just send them a thank you letter from your thank you page, and next time they might need something from you and they will buy. So these upsells will bring you profit later on in the process as your customer buy these. So in summary, if you follow these 3 rules, you will become successful. It sounds too simple, but you need to understand the process is simple, but the value and the quality you offer and the audience you target are all part of the success story. If you do this right, then you can turn a hobby into a 6-figure business. If you just start off and you think big, dream big, but work step by step and follow these 3 rules and the process involved in affiliate marketing, I can promise you, you will be successful. I'm personally following a proven strategy to generate the income online, which is working for me. If you're interested, click the link below and see for yourself. And if you haven't done it already, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel and ring the bell to get my next video on affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching. See you next time on the other side of the screen.